An Ego 56-volt battery flashing red indicates low voltage, severe overheating, or an internal cell imbalance, and the fastest fix is a 30-minute cooling reset, followed by cleaning the terminal contacts. Before replacing an expensive battery pack, verifying the exact flash sequence determines whether the unit needs a simple charge, a thermal cool-down, or a contact cleaning. A single flashing red light on the power gauge means the pack voltage has dropped below the operational threshold. Placing the battery onto the standard charger restores the charge cycle within a few minutes. However, a solid red light or rapid flashing during heavy mowing indicates thermal overload. Built-in sensors automatically shut down the power cells when internal temperatures exceed 150 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent permanent damage. Leaving an overheated battery inside a hot garage will delay recovery. Moving the pack to an air-conditioned room or shaded area for 45 minutes allows the internal temperature to drop below 67 degrees Celsius. Once cooled, the charger will initiate a solid green charging cycle instead of throwing a red diagnostic error code. Corrosion or grass debris on the 4 metal terminal pins can disrupt the communication signal between the battery management system and the tool. Wiping the contacts thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth restores full electrical conductivity. If the battery refuses to wake up after deep storage, reseating the pack firmly onto the charger 3 consecutive times forces the system to re-handshake and deliver the initial wake-up voltage. Storing lithium-ion packs between 50 and 80% charge in a climate-controlled area prevents low-voltage sleep lockouts and maximizes overall service life across all power equipment.